Hello children, once again welcome to all of you. So children, today I am going to explain angle tester in shapes and angles chapter, and here I am going to make one handmade angle tester, and I will explain the questions based on this angle tester also. Let's start. So look here children, here what is written: how do we make equal angles? Let us make an angle tester. You also have an angle tester in your geometry box. So children, I think you all have seen such type of angle tester. This is also known as divider. Okay, and you can use this angle tester to check equal angles also. Okay, and it is used to measure the length of a line segment. Now what you have to do here children, I have written the steps, and I have made the video also. You all will see this video. Okay, hello children. Children, today I am going to explain angle tester activity, and you all have seen a divider in your geometry box, and that divider is also known as angle tester. So here I am going to do an angle tester activity. For that what you need a cardboard sheet, and what you have to do, you have to cut two strips in this way. Okay, and from a cardboard sheet and fix them with the drawing pin. Here I am having a drawing pin, or you have to fix it in this way, you can see here, and you have to fix it in such a way so that both the strips can move around easily. Okay, so here I have fixed it, and you can see here children, here both the strips are moving easily. Okay, it can move around easily. Now children, you all know this is your 0-degree angle. Both the lines, both the rays are lying at each other, and this is your acute angle, and this one is your right angle, because it is having L shape, and both the lines are perpendicular, so it is your right angle, and it is of 90 degree. Now what I am going to do here children, with this angle tester I am going to test the angle of pencil box and the match book. So here I am having the pencil box. You can see here it is of 90 degree, that is, it is right angle. You can see, look here. Okay, now I am going to check the angle of the match book. So here we have our match book, and now I am going to check the angle of our match book, and you can see here children, it is again 90 degree. It is in L shape. So in this way you can use your angle tester to test the angles. Thank you. So here you can see children, the geometry box and the book both are making right angles. Here this geometry box is making right angle, that is 90 degree, and here your maths magic book, it is also making right angle, that is 90 degree. Okay, moving to the next page. Now children, here how do we make equal angles? So here I have written the answer. Please go through this answer. And how can you make your own angle tester? This you have already learned through the video. So here I have written the answer, and here I have written the steps. So you all have learned how to make angle tester. So you all will do this. Next is go around with your angle tester and draw here those things in which the tester opens like the letter L. Letter L means right angle. Okay, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay, right angle. Okay, letter L means right angle, that is equal to 90 degree. Are you sure they are all right angles? So here in this diary you can see all these are your right angle. This one also, this one also, and this one also, all are the right angle. Okay, so you have to make some more pictures. You can draw a picture of door also. Okay, you can draw a picture of a window also. Okay, so you all will do this question yourself. I have shown some examples over here. Now here children, what is written? Jeenath, your watch does not have digits. How do you read time? This girl is Jeenath, and she is asking, this girl is asking to this girl is Jeenath, your watch does not have digits. How do you read time? So what this girl is saying, this girl is Jeenath, I just see the angle. See, when the hands make a right angle, I know it is 9 o'clock. So when the hands make a right angle, she knows that it is 9 o'clock. And can you tell me some more timings that make right angle? Yes, you all are correct. 3 o'clock also. So here we have the question. There are many times in a day when the hands of a clock make a right angle. So here I am going to draw when 9 o'clock time will be there. It will be your right angle. Okay. And this is 9 o'clock. Here I am going to make 3 o'clock. Your minute hand will be at 12 and smaller hand will be at 3. So this one will be your 3 o'clock. Okay. And here I am going to make 10, 5. So it will be again your right angle. Okay. So in this way you all can draw. Moving to the next page. Now here are some more examples of right angle, children. Here you can see right angle. Okay, this one is the right angle. Here you can see again right angle. Okay, moving to the next page. Now it's your turn, children. You have to give the answer. Which of the following things are making right angle? You have to tell which of the following things are making right angle. I think you all know the answer. Yes, you all are correct. This clock and this laptop both are making right angle. Here you can see this is making right angle and here you can see this is making right angle. So here your answer will be clock and laptop. With this we come to an end. Thank you. Have a nice day.